Welcome to this technical guide on the HP EliteBook 645. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP EliteBook 645 won't turn on, it can be a frustrating experience. This issue can arise from various causes, including a drained battery, faulty power adapter, or internal hardware problems. If left unresolved, it may lead to further complications, making your device unusable for longer periods. To get started with this repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery if that is the issue. First, ensure the laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Carefully insert the plastic prying tool into the seam between the back panel and the laptop body. Gently work your way around to release the clips holding the panel in place. Once the back panel is removed, you should see the battery and other internal components. The most likely culprit for the device not turning on is the battery. To locate it, look for the large rectangular component that is usually secured with screws. Disconnect any cables attached to the battery and remove the screws holding it in place. Be sure to apply gentle force to avoid damaging surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the battery is out, replace it with a new one, ensuring all connections are secure. Reattach any cables you previously disconnected and replace the screws to secure the battery in place. After reinstalling the back panel, press down firmly to ensure it snaps back into place securely. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. To verify that everything is working, plug in the charger and attempt to power on the laptop. If it turns on successfully, you've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly charge your device and check the power adapter for any signs of damage. Keeping your laptop clean and dust-free can also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.